In this tutorial, I will show you new free Microsoft Bing image creator which uses Dalle to generate AI images. So hello people, I am Vishwa and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it. So you can see I have already opened the website. This is the website. I have provided the link in the description, so you can just click on that link and it will take you to this website. So this is the tool which Microsoft Bing recently launched, create images from words with AI. So first of all, we just need to click on this join and create. So we need to log into the Microsoft account. So if you have the account already, so you just sign in, and if you don't have, so you just click on this create one and create account using your Gmail. I have the account already, so I'll just sign in. So this is very basic process that we usually follow. So you can see I have signed in, and after signing in you will be able to see the interface like this. So as I said, it uses Dalle to generate the images, and I have already created one full video on Dalle 2, how to use from basic to advanced. So if you'd like to know about that, so you can just watch my video, which must be popping up from the I button, or you can check the description of this video. So the format, okay, the interface is pretty similar to the Dalle tool. So if you watch my video, so you will understand. So here is the search box to search to get any image. So here is the surprise me. I'll just click on the surprise me. So this will generate automatic text for us. So a vintage microphone robot digital art. Okay, I'll just click on create. Here you can see 6. Okay, now I'll just click on create. Yeah, and our art is getting generated. And you must have noticed one more thing, that like the number was 6 and it changed to 5. So what is this number about? We called it here as a boost. This number denotes that 5 images we can boost. If I just move my cursor here, so you can see what is written here. Create images more quickly with boost. If you run out of image generation, may take longer. So what does boost do? So it just helps us to generate our images quickly. Okay, and if there is no boost, so it will take like little more time to generate the images. Okay, so for that this boost is important. So for me it is just 5 number now, and you can see the images are generated. So these are images, you can see, are pretty good and realistic. Here you have option to share, save, download. Okay, there are some ways to get the boost free of cost. So watch this video till the end. At the end of this video, I will tell you how you can get free boost easily. Now here you can see explore ideas. So if I just click on explore ideas, so you can see different created images here. Okay, so we can just open one of to get the idea. Here you can say frequently asked questions. Okay, so let's see this. So what is image generator? So if you want to know, so you can just click, you can just read image generator is a product to help users to generate AI images with Dalle. How do I use image creator? Sign up for new Microsoft account or log into your existing Microsoft account. Which we saw already. New users are granted 25 boosted generations for image creator. Okay, so once you log in first time to this image creator, you will get 25 boosted generation. Okay, so I also got 25 boosted generation, but I used it, so because of that only 5 are remaining now. Now is there any waiting list? So if you want to know about that, so you can just read here. So there is no waiting list. What languages are supported? So right now only English language is supported. How do I create the better prompts? Okay, they have just guide us here how to write better prompt to get the good result. Adjective, noun, verb and style in this format. Fuzzy creature wearing sunglasses, digital art. Okay, the more in detail we write the prompt, we will get the better result. How do Microsoft rewards work with image creator? Okay, this will I let you know at the end of this video. What if I have other questions about the image creator? Okay, so if you want any help, so you can just click on this help page. So these were the FAQs questions. Now let's refer one of the image. Okay, let's take this image. You can see, yeah, you can see this is really, this is really realistic image. We can see it's completely like, if we show this image to someone, so he will not understand whether it is generated through AI or it is the real image. So you can see we got the super realistic image in here. Okay, we will see one more, like let's see this. Okay, so these are also really impressive, we can see. Okay, the result is really natural and realistic. So if you want to search anything, let's search by our own doctor on horse in space. Okay, now let's search. So I'm using my boost, so because of that it is generating quickly. Yeah, you can see the image, it's really good, the result is really good. Okay, we can make it better as well by prompting properly. Okay, you can see the horse is looking real, but we can improve the doctor, but the result is very good. You can see I have tried this as well. I just searched dog, okay, and I got this image. This is really impressive. So you can explore for more ideas, you can take ideas from here and you can search. You can see this is also like really amazing, super realistic. So this kind of realistic images we can generate through this image creator. So if you just compare the Midjourney and the image creator, so image creator provides better images, realistic images than Midjourney. And now we can use this image creator free of cost if you finish your boost, so it will take some time to generate the images. You can see more results. I'm just using the different queries. I'm trying to give more detail. So we got this type of result. You can just surprise me as well. Yeah, a cute happy Shiba Inu astronaut on a pink background. Okay, this is really cute, really good result, right? So this was the image creator, and this is the free tool, as I said, so anybody can use it. So as per my promise, I will show you now how you can get the boost free of cost. So here on the top right you can see 47. Okay, so these are Microsoft rewards. Okay, so Microsoft gives the rewards. So it asks us to do some activity, like more activities. See what's news is trending, browse efficiently, soccer legend. After that, which I tried, that is take the quiz. After that, subscribe the Microsoft newsletter. So by doing all these things, we can get the Microsoft rewards points, and after our goods are finished, we can redeem that. Okay, like I have there are only 2 boosts are remaining for me, so I can redeem after this. So that was it. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comment section if you like or not. So if you want to know more about Dalle 2 AI tool, then click on left video. And if you want to know how to create human talking avatar, then click on the right video. Thank you so much for watching.